Here Parliament is discussing very serious issues. The attack, the brutal attack against the students on the street, the bloodshed on the street. These serious things we were discussing in the House. But the primary responsible person of this entire incident, Amit Shah, the Home Minister of the nation. But he is not ready to attend the session. Narendra Modi is not ready to attend the session. Then what is the duty of the Prime Minister and Home Minister? They are not ready to listen what Parliament members are raising inside the Parliament. Primary duty of the Home Minister and the Prime Minister is to listen the debate and discussions inside the Parliament. So the entire opposition will raise the issue inside and outside. The resignation of Amit Shah and the apology from Amit Shah is the part of the slogan of the student community. The echo of the student struggle will be heard inside the Parliament and in this Magaradwar.
But the government clearly mentioned this type of order, like the firing and other section, taken by the administration officers like SDM and DM like officers.
Without consultation with the Home Minister, it would not be possible. We all know the police officers should be they would be discussed with the ministry and the higher political leadership. This is the understanding of the common people in our country. Thank you.
फिलहाल आपकी इस मामले को लेकर क्या राय है, हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिखें। धन्यवाद।